And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year day 130. Then we show the spray scale option. We create a rectangle. As always, make sure that it's selected before you activate the spray tool. Use the copy option, the first mode right here. And that's the default, but let me actually get to a rotation of 0 as well. So scale set to 0. That's the default. And this simply gives you copies that have the exact size of your original element. And you can adjust it right here. It goes from 0 to 100, but it's not like if you use 100, then your elements will have like 100% double the size of your original. It's a randomization option. So if you have a scale of 20, that's kind of like the intensity of how random the size will be. Then we go to the max of 100. And now you can see we have very, very small, almost invisible rectangles, and then very big ones as well. So once more, it doesn't give you bigger ones. If you go up with the scale, it gives you more random sizes. And this is the scale option of the spray tool in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.